Next day, y'all, what's up? We back. Had to get some little bit more supplies. Need some blue primary white battery charger, and I got the laptop today, so y'all already know it's going down today. See that laptop? That mean I ain't gonna be here long. We gotta cut up some money. So let's get in here, make something happen. I'm finna dry my feet off because that sounds so irritating. Alright, so these seat belts, it's retractors. Can't use the old retractors. I actually put this in the video before this, but I didn't show it because I didn't know if I was gonna do it or not. But the replacement seat belts, I already cut them up. And this is why I was saying I don't want to use nothing that's not OEM, right? It came with an L bracket and a stick like this. No way the door would close, so got to use the factory stuff. It's shorter and it's skinnier. Now, this is the lock mechanism for it. Like that. So what I had to do is take the webbing from the Lucy belt, cut it. I'm gonna cut it to size, sew them together, put these on the right ends. Now, these gotta be in the right position for you to reel them out. I ain't gonna cut it or nothing until I get to the sewing machine, which I'm about to put one in here. So, make sure they all work before I go do all the work, and then find out they don't work. One work easier than the other one, so it's alright. They gonna get done though. So, do what I do, sew them together, and then once they together, put the retractors on. Then I can put the edge piece on because it don't fit through this hole. It don't fit through there, so. Gotta put it all the way together, then do it. It's part of that custom stuff. can see this burnt orange. Yeah, it's a little too dark. This orange might be it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's it right there. So get this one.
Turn me up, Pete. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got a spotted puff spot. J for peace. Drop the dot and now we plant. Beside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count president. Push a P. On her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave cause she keep the P. Private speak, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah.
These boys came out pretty clean for what they are. Some armrests, some seatbelt retractor covers. But the material kind of thick, so it was kind of hard. If anybody who sew know, go ahead comment for me. Like, it's hard to sew these curves like this, and then it's hard to top stitch the curves. So only people who sew would know what I'm saying. If you don't sew, you won't understand at all what I'm saying. Once the retractors was done, I was like, damn, they make billet retractor covers. But they done that, so